Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to download the Line app for your Android device, and start right in now. To download the Line app, first go to the Play Store of your device like this, and after opening your Play Store you can see the search bar on the top of the screen. Tap over there and type in Line like this and tap on search, and there guys you can see there is the Line calls and messages available over here. Tap on install and you can see the Line will be installed on your device momentarily, since it's worth 84.25 MB of data. With that being said, after the Line has been downloaded, it will be installed. And there guys, this is how you download the Line app for your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.